Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful reviews. Today, we're diving into JP Morgan Automated Investing, a user-friendly robo-advisor perfect for those seeking a hands-off, low-cost investment solution. Links to access the platform are in the description below. Integrated within the broader Chase ecosystem, JP Morgan Automated Investing leverages the reputation and stability of a leading financial institution. It's a particularly appealing choice for existing Chase customers seeking to consolidate their financial life onto a single platform, but is also open to anyone looking for a goal-oriented automated investing approach. Getting started with JP Morgan Automated Investing is simple. The platform's onboarding process guides you through a series of questions about your financial objectives, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Based on your responses, a diversified portfolio, primarily composed of JP Morgan ETFs, is created. This strategy not only minimizes costs but also capitalizes on JP Morgan's extensive investment expertise. The platform automatically rebalances your portfolio to maintain your chosen risk level, eliminating the need for constant monitoring. This hands-off approach is ideal for busy individuals or those new to the world of investing. With a minimum investment requirement of just $500, JP Morgan Automated Investing is accessible to both beginner investors and those with more substantial capital. The annual advisory fee of 0.35% is competitive and covers automated portfolio management and access to valuable planning tools. While the service doesn't include access to human financial advisors, the platform's simplicity and efficiency make it a compelling option for individuals comfortable managing their investments digitally. A key advantage of JP Morgan Automated Investing is its seamless integration with existing Chase accounts. Chase customers will appreciate the convenience of viewing their investments alongside their checking, savings, and credit card accounts, all within the same app. This integrated view provides a comprehensive overview of your overall financial health. Furthermore, the platform offers robust goal planning features, whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or other financial milestones. JP Morgan Automated Investing is an excellent option for cost-conscious investors seeking a simplified and convenient investment experience. It's especially attractive for Chase customers looking for a streamlined way to manage their finances. If you're in the market for a reliable, low-maintenance solution to grow your wealth, this platform delivers. Check out the links in the description for more details and to get started.